Hello? Hello? Awesome. I think it is on. Okay, welcome to the Time Capsule Chronicles. It is day 86, and actually it's almost nighttime, so we're gonna go to bed. Goal today is to get a automatic chicken farm. My lava, my chicken, Steve's lava chicken. But to do this, I basically have all the supplies I need, but I need to get it actually organized here. Let me just throw everything out because I need to clear a space for for us to actually be able to do some of this work. I don't know why I brought that over, but I do have it. Okay, so basically need to just clear out this area. It doesn't really need a ton. And when I say not a ton, I mean a ton of space. Just not really needed. But now we have like all of this dirt that I don't know what we're gonna do with. But that is a later problem. I could probably clear out this area too. That way things are just a little bit more flat. Okay, cool. That works for now. The biggest thing is I want a lot of like AFK farms here because I already have my iron farm, so might as well have other farms as well. So, actually watched a YouTube tutorial.
Flat area, then dig 3 blocks.
Okay, so I need to dig 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And then, I could actually drop a lot of this stuff off. Let's go like that. And then this extra dirt can go there. Grab our chest with a hopper. I think that's what I need. 1, 2. Throw this in there. Let's watch.
This is the best chicken farm.
Best chicken farm. Yeah, we're about to see if it is good or not. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then hopper. Epic. Stone cutter on top of the hopper. I can do that. Oh, you know what we also need though? I need stone. Do I have stone in here? I don't want to take from the construction box because that's still meant for the raid farm. Okay, we're gonna go on a quick mining trip. What the heck? This guy's not dead. There we go. Do I care if this area looks pretty? I mean, a little bit, but not really. So we'll just clear out. Of course, there's dirt. Whatever. What the heck? I want stone. Whoa, you hear that? Is there a cave? I can't even see, so we might not find out. I think that's all I need. Doesn't really need a whole lot, and part of it is also made out of glass. Oh, look at all of this experience that I've missed. Give it all to me. I want it. All right. Okay, let's get going to the next part. Dispenser behind it. I just need Uno. So, go like that. Oh, whoa, what the? Does it matter how? Why is it doing that? Is it because I was up on the block? That might have been it. Okay. Okay. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3. And I think it's again on the other side.
This on each side. Then behind the dispenser, place a
Okay, and then we need to get our things right here. So I need this
comparator followed with a
with the repeaters right next to it.
repeater. And next to the comparator, looking for
And that's going to be on the right side like this.
the front of the farm, place another repeater. Then connect redstone from
Okay, need redstone. Oh, I don't know if that's enough. Yeah, it's not. I think I killed a witch earlier, so we should have redstone in here. I hope. Epic. Okay, that's good. Like this?
that repeater all the way through.
Oh, it needs to go all the way through.
Now above the stone cutter, place a cauldron.
Okay, cauldron and lava. Let's grab some. Okay, cauldron, lava, and that goes right above. Okay, just like that. Whoa, that was cool. And then what?
The lava inside it. Then on top of the dispenser, place a hopper
Okay, we gotta get these back. Put that there.
with two more connected to it going
And then we go 1 and 2.
over the redstone stuff. Now you're gonna want to place glass
Okay, and then he said to grab glass. I do. Okay.
above the chest in front.
So then we go 1, 2. Can you still open? Oh yeah, I got a new pickaxe. It's a diamond one. It's just like the iron one that we had, but it's better. And it's diamond. Okay, cool. Yeah, it does work. Okay.
The cauldron in the stone jar and on top of the cauldron. Then place some temporary
Wait, on top of the cauldron? How? Okay, and then it said temporary blocks. Where here?
rock on top of the.
On all of them? Oh no, I X'd out. There we go.
This is the best chicken fried. Then on top of the dispenser, place a hopper with two.
Sorry, you gotta watch YouTube while watching YouTube.
Place glass above
Okay, I got the glass. What's next? Skip.
on top of the hoppers connected to the dispenser and surround.
And then glass on either side. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Surround it with glass. Then destroy the temporary.
Then we go here. It said destroy them. Well, I think it just dispensed it, but it is what it is.
Blocks and put smooth stone slabs on top of all the glass.
Okay, I don't have smooth stone. What the heck? We got an escapee. Not anymore. I think any slab should work, right? I think I have a lot of wood. Yeah. Ooh. Maybe it won't work because of the lava. Huh, I guess we'll find out. It's covered though, so it should be fine. Whoops. There we go. Okay, now what? Oh no, I X'd out.
This is the best chickens in here. Breed them, and when they lay eggs, they'll go to the dispenser.
Okay, so now I just need chickens. So if I throw all of this back in, because I don't need it, and then I grab all of these chicken eggs that we got from the other farm. Oh, this might take a while, so there we go. Oh. Maybe I should have kept all of those seeds so that way I can breed these. Dang. Okay. No survivors. Oh crap. There we go. I wonder if I go here. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, I need more. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Epic. Okay. We're almost out. Oh no! What a waste. It's okay. And let's go to bed. I don't think we got one. There we go. Okay, let's just go get some seeds, I guess. Because we don't know if this is gonna work until they start laying eggs. Oh, I guess I could have used some of those eggs as well in the dispenser. But who knows? It is what it is. We just need a ton of chickens in there. Oh look, we could just get some of the grown ones right now. Come on, buddy. I know you want some seeds. They're good for you. I got 7. You could have all of them if you follow me. This way. Yep, just keep on coming. Oi. This way. Oi, come on. There you go, bro. That's it. That's it. Yep, just hop on up here. Come on over. And there we go. Now we need to capture another one. I thought I saw one nearby. Maybe not. See a sheep. Don't need that. I need a chicken. Does feeding them seeds make them grow up? No? Lame. Oh, we have those poppies though. I built this automatic composter too because of how many poppies I get in here. Like, look at that. It's crazy. We don't need all of them. I don't even know what I would do with them. So I just decided to make bone meal. And it's working pretty good. So this farm is now not only like an iron farm, it's a string farm and also a poppy farm or bone meal farm. Like, we got all of this set up. How's the wool doing? Oh, it's doing pretty good too. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know why I wanted pink wool, but I wanted it. Okay, well, this might take a while for them to grow up, but we got 6 minutes left. I don't know. We kind of found some places to build the raid farm, like off that way. It's gonna take a long time. So I probably will just build the raid farm off camera and then do the trial and error testing. And then when it's done, I'll show you guys. But I'm excited because we're getting all of these farms set up, which means we're progressing in the game. We're also trying to work on that villager farm. And actually, I will use my elytra to take you there so that way you can see. Oh, I heard an egg. I don't know if it dispensed or not. I want to know how this works though. Like if I drop an item, it dispenses it? I think. I don't know. Okay, but let's take you to the villager hall. I think last episode or yesterday we were working on it. The days kind of have blurred together, so I don't actually remember. But I did start building a frame to it. This is the frame. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? The only downside right now is I still don't really have a roof, which I could build it, but I just haven't. So if you head down here, we got all, oh look, some of them are growing. Whoa, a lot of them are just growing up. Ooh, dude, that's your kid. Hey yo, hey yo, hang on. Look, these guys are facing away because they're getting freaky over there. Crazy. Oh, I have wood blocks here. Low key. We could start finishing this. I don't know what we're gonna do for like the outer part. I don't know if that's gonna look good or not. If we use wood steps as like the roof. I actually have no idea. But I guess we won't know unless we do it. Okay. Bro. Is this even possible? Nope. Okay. Dang. I don't think it's gonna work. Nope. Okay. That might just be a lost cause right now. But if I keep building this, I don't know. Yeah, I don't like that. So how am I gonna build the roof? I mean, I could do this for the sides, I guess. Yeah, that should be fine if I just did it on the sides. Let me get more blocks. There it is. Okay. Oh. Ooh. What if I don't extend it out to that last block? What if we did it just to there? And then I grab that. Does that even look good? Maybe. We'll try it. Okay, can I do the same thing here? Nope. Okay. We're not gonna keep doing that. We're just gonna build up and go like, what the? Dang, my builds are just not working. All right, there we go. Now let's check the other side here. Then, oh, I guess I do still need one more. Wait, how did I do this? I had it on the outside beam, but not the front. Okay. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. And then I have to do the same thing here. Ah, I thought I could be cool and jump off and do it. Can I go like that? Nope. Okay. What the heck? What? Why? Why? There we go. Oh my, that was actually frustrating. Okay, but we got all of that figured out. At least I think. I don't know if it's actually gonna look good or not. Now the question is, what do I do for the next part? See, like, this is things that I didn't really think about. Would it be like this? Would that be good? Or do I go one block like I just did there, and then if I do steps here? Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, I have an idea. Crap. Can I reach it? No. What if I go here? Can I reach it? Nope. Okay. Here's the idea, because I want it to have like actual dimensions and stuff. Let me go to bed real quick. We're just gonna take one of these beds. That one right there. That sounds good. Okay, so here's what I was thinking, is using the stone slab to go up one more level. I should have brought the scaffolding over too, but I didn't think about it. If I go like that, is that weird? I don't think so. I think it should be fine. We can try it. We'll see what it looks like. I'm just trying to go for like a log cabin kind of feel. Ooh, how far did I even go? Okay, right before. So, like that. And then we would basically do the same thing. So I'm gonna need a lot more of this. Okay, so I'm gonna need a ton of stairs and a ton of that. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm gonna need to get more wood as well. Oi. It just does not want to cooperate. Okay, and then we do the same thing here. Okay. Wait, we're kind of cooking. I think. Or I hope. Okay. And are we really out of wood? Is that all the wood that we have? That's no bueno. Let me check down here. Oh, I'm out of time. I'm gonna keep building this though. And I'll just show you guys next time, tomorrow, when it's done. So we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Oh, hang on.